Why? At London International Studies, we asked ourselves this very question. You see, we realised that the problem isn't in our desires or in our talents, it's in how we learn, how we grow, and how we prepare ourselves for the careers of tomorrow. The old model of education served its time, but today, when global leaders, innovators, and trailblazers reshape the world daily, learning can no longer be static. It must be dynamic, it must empower, it must ignite. We thought, what if learning could be more than just absorbing information? What if it could become a relentless force that lifts you beyond your limits, propelling you from aspiration to achievement, from good to extraordinary, from waiting on the sidelines to standing at the pinnacle of your profession? So, how do we redefine learning for a new era? Well, our approach is simple yet transformative. We listen to your needs. We anticipate your challenges. We adapt to your pace. We've built a platform where technology doesn't just exist, it accelerates, where every feature is crafted to sharpen your competitive edge. This is how we turn learning into a powerful catalyst, propelling you towards the top positions in any organisation and supercharging your career for the future you deserve. What makes this platform your gateway to greatness? Well, what transforms it from a mere tool into a force multiplier for your career? AI-driven meeting summaries. Are you tired of wading through endless hours of content? Our technology extracts the essence, delivering crisp summaries so you can absorb insights at lightning speed. Workshop analytics. Well, imagine seeing your growth unfold in real time. Our platform tracks your engagement patterns, unveiling how you learn best so that you can continuously refine, adapt, and excel. Smart chapters, powered by AI. No more endless scrolling. We break down hours of lectures into intuitive chapters, complete with summaries and timestamps. Review complex concepts in minutes, not hours. AI intelligent search. Seek out a key idea, a phrase, or a tactic and instantly jump to that exact moment in the video. It's learning at the speed of your curiosity. Learn my way. Global languages. Your language, your style. Your comfort. Break through linguistic barriers and unlock worldwide opportunities. 24/7 voice-enabled AI support. Stuck on a concept? Need guidance at midnight? A quick voice command summons immediate help. You're never truly alone on this journey. Every feature is more than a function. It's a step towards mastery, a nudge towards leadership, and a bridge to the highest rungs of success. This is not just learning, it's the evolution of your career, supercharged and unstoppable. This isn't a course catalogue, a static platform, or another online program. It's your partner in growth, your springboard to the heights you only once dared to imagine. Your transformation from a learner into a leader. At London International Studies, we know that the world belongs to those who can adapt, innovate, and excel. And we're here to arm you with the knowledge, the tools, and the confidence to break through every barrier. Because the world doesn't slow down for dreamers, it accelerates for those who dare to rise. And when equipped with the right technology, guidance, and vision, there's no summit out of reach. Why settle for ordinary when you can achieve the extraordinary? Why wait for the future when you can forge it now? Step into the future of learning. Step into London International Studies. Discover how to learn faster, aim higher, and reach beyond what you thought possible. Your extraordinary journey starts today.